Alright, so Wiley number 20 was a little weird. Um, wasn't like 100%. So it says, what is the structure of the compound in the following protein NMR spectrum with the molecular formula C4H8O. And then it says relative integration is shown. Maybe that's why. Let me just quickly look up what they mean with relative integration is. Relative integration, because there was something that didn't make relative integration. And 1H NMR comes right up. And I'm waiting for it to load. It says that the area under the NMR resonance is proportional to the number of hydrogens which that resonance represents. In this way, by measuring or integrating the different NMR resonance information regarding the relative numbers of chemically distinct hydrogens can be found. Experimentally, the integrals will appear as lines over the NMR spectrum. Integration only gives information on the relative number of different hydrogens, not the absolute number. Okay, the relative number. Fine. Okay, that still doesn't help because, alright, the reason that it was a little confusing was, so here they give us the spectrum, right? So there's chemical shift around 4 and a chemical shift around 2. And then near the 4 there's a smaller singlet, and then near the 2 there's a taller singlet, which would say that there's 2 chemically distinct environments. These ones are closer to the oxygen, the electronegative oxygen, and these ones are farther away, and there's more of them. So, okay, these are the molecules they gave us, right? Alright, so I looked at them, and this has 1, 2, 3 distinct environments, so it can't be this. This has 1, 2, 1, 1. These are identical. 2, 2. So that's 2, so that was a possibility. This has 1, 2, 3, so that's out. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that's out. And this had 1. Oh, and then that's like, oh, that would be 2 right there. And this would be 3. So that's out. Okay, so that's why. Everything else is out except for this one. The only thing that. Why aren't these peaks the same height? Maybe. These two environments right here, these hydrogens are this peak right here, the downfield peak near the oxygen, and these hydrogens here are the peak, the upfield peak away from the oxygen. The only thing is that there's 4 hydrogens here, 4 hydrogens here, so I would think that the peaks would be identical, but This is the answer. And I guess you could just get it because nothing else could be the answer. That's why it's the answer.